Are you a parent preparing your child for the 11 plus exams? Now here are 5 top questions that I get asked by parents who are in the same shoes as you. Question 1. How do I get my child to focus and be interested in this examination? 2. How do I manage my time and my child's time to make the most of it? Question 3. What resources do I use and which do I start with first? 4. When do I know to start preparing my child? And 5. How do I know I'm doing enough or getting it right? These and many more questions will get answered in our brand new free masterclass that is coming up. If you do decide to join us, you won't only learn how to be in the driver's seat of your child's educational needs, but you will get to understand how best to unlock your child's potential so they pass the 11 plus exams. Yes, it is free, and the catch? At the end of this training, you will get invited to our paid course, which empowers parents on all it takes to effectively support and prepare their child with a proven toolkit. You don't have to join this paid course, but I hope you do. For our life, I would like to help you and guide you like I've done to many other parents who have gone on to effectively support their children. Now, if this interests you and you like a real-time training, hurry, sign up, and I hope to see you there.